All right, so this is my own personal hair cabinet. I usually have it in order, but we are living in 2 locations and it's just a free-for-all all the time. So I had to completely start over. Usually maintenance only takes a couple of minutes, but I just said it's too far gone. So I'm pulling every single thing out. I don't know why that piece of house trim was in there, but it was. So just empty the whole thing out. I did end up needing another Lazy Susan, but it's okay. They're awesome to help you in a small, tight space. Usually I just pull everything out and I categorize it. Shampoo, hairspray, mousse, curl cream, straightening cream. Just categorize it, consolidate almost empty bottles, throw away bottles that are expired if you do that. And that's just kind of what I'm doing here. We get a guest helper coming through in a minute. She is always in my business and she needs a haircut herself. You'll see her coming up. I just was in my pajamas and my hair needs a shampoo day so bad. This cabinet is also my overstock cabinet for extra body wash that goes in the shower, extra mouthwash, this sort of thing. But mostly it's just hair products. In cabinets, I like to do, if it's possible, a progression. So the first item I would use is my mousse or my straightening cream. So that would start at the left, and then I might go into the root boost, or hairspray would be like last, which is kind of what I put on my Lazy Susan. So I like to do progressions in closets as well. Your smallest underlayer tank tops, and then maybe your wider straps next, and then your t-shirts next, and then your long shirts next. Think of progression. It helps you in your flow of using things. So I put my lotions far left top because I put that on first, and then I put my other curl cream, mousse, the things you'd put on next, and then so like to the right I would put my oil, and my hairspray is on this Lazy Susan. But anyway, so I did kind of change that up from the last picture. And then on the very bottom right is where I put my overstock of stuff that I'm not going to get to very much. And on that very bottom one, we have a pump gel that my husband uses that does not fit in our drawer, so he can just open that door and not have to remove the gel and pump it into his hand. I also have my lotions to where the pump, I don't have to get it out. I can just reach up in there and pump it into my hand and not have to remove it, and it works great. So just kind of think like that, how you function and what's the easiest. I'm going to tell you about this cabinet. I rescued it out of the trash. I was probably taking something to the dump and found it, and it had the beautiful, most chippy paint ever, authentic, out of somebody's kitchen cabinet that Grandpa made the cabinets for him or something. And then I put these legs on here and made it tall for this little space I have. I removed a big kitchen cabinet that or it was a bathroom cabinet. I put it in my kitchen, so it's not painted or anything behind there, as you can see. And then on the top I had this really bad oil stuff and I couldn't get it off, so I just used shutters that was from a bifold door that I also got from the dump that were new in the package, and I just have used that on so many things. I cut them and made a cute top. You'll see it in the shot picture in the very end. And so it's just all repurposed and it's super cute. And just to get started with organizing, just do one drawer at a time, one cabinet at a time, or hire a professional organizer like me and we will come and do it for you. So I'm going to start doing a few more of these kind of videos mixed in with my craft and painting videos. So if you like this, please, I would love to hear your comments. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to release a video once a week, and I'll probably get on a schedule where you can know that organizing is one time a month and crafting is one time. So be watching for that. This is the only items I removed from all that mess. One bottle was relocated to my makeup drawer because it's brush cleaner, and the rest was just throw it in the trash. Oh, something else I always do is keep a pair of scissors to open packages, and I cut a lot of tubes off and then use a binder clip to close it down, and you can get a lot more product out of it. And I always keep a permanent marker because I like to date my hair products or expensive facial products and see how long they last.